Screaming at your PC and hitting it hard will make your computer afraid, and it will start running faster.
Screaming at your computer won't help one bit. Neither will hitting it, as you risk breaking your PC. The only thing smacking your computer might help you get rid of is case vibration noise. But that will only work if you're in a desktop. Do not hit your laptop if you're not looking for an excuse to get a new one.
The easiest way to recover data from a failed hard drive is to put it in the freezer for a couple of hours and then reinstall it on the computer. All the errors will freeze and your files will come back.
Well, what do you know? This is not a myth. Freezing a failing hard drive that makes clicking noises makes the physical properties of metal kick in. It cools and shrinks. This gets rid of the overheating and lets you mount a failed hard drive for long enough to recover your data and copy it to another drive. Remember that it's not a magical fix for all hard drive problems though.
The more keys you have on your keyboard, the cooler it is. More keys equals better performance and means that your PC has more functions.
If you're into sci-fi and Star Trek, then you might like a keyboard and a mouse that look like they can control a spaceship. Just a note, having a keyboard and a mouse like that won't turn your PC into a spaceship and make it lightspeed fast. Actually, using such a keyboard or a mouse can be a nightmare, as everything is hard to find.
A hacker can turn on your computer and use it when you're asleep. That's why you need to unplug the internet cable and switch off your router before getting to bed.
Relax, a hacker won't be able to get into your PC if it's turned off. The only way a hacker can access your computer is when it's switched on and connected to a network. Then a hacker can easily use your PC, especially if your computer is infected with malware. But if you switch your PC off before going to bed, then you're safe. But hey, if unplugging everything makes you feel safer, do so.
Computer screens are radioactive, but you can neutralize radiation if you put a cactus near your computer. A really spiky cactus is best.
Do you seriously believe that your PC is radioactive? Your computer is not a reactor, so there is no radiation. All there is are some electromagnetic waves, just like the ones produced by TVs, microwaves, and power sockets. And believe it or not, cactuses don't block any waves or any radiation. So there is no need to have a cactus, unless you're a cactus fan.
Make your life easier with a faster PC.